We are the Border Brothers. My name is Cristian Trujillo.
Diego.
Artin, Gutierrez.
Navarro.
Figueroa.
We are students at East Los Angeles College, a part of the Engineering and Technology Department. We are currently enrolled in Professor Artin's Davidian General Engineering 101 course for the spring semester of 2025. We will now be demonstrating our final Stirling engine project.
Our Stirling engine consists of 2 aluminum cans. We have a displacer made out of steel wool connected to a crankshaft via fishing wire.
The air inside of the displacer chamber is heated, increasing the pressure inside. This moves the displacer, transferring the pressure to the power piston, turning thermal energy into mechanical energy.
The expanding and contracting diaphragm pushes the connecting rod. The crankshaft then converts the linear motion to rotary motion, which turns the flywheel.
The flywheel is made out of 2 CDs held together by glue and terminal blocks, which all add the necessary weight to create momentum, which then allows the Stirling engine to initiate.
We will now conduct an efficiency test. We will now take out the heat source. We will now reapply the heat source. This concludes our presentation. Thank you for your time.